Okay.
When I used to go backpacking a lot, I used one of these Sterno stoves, and I just happened to buy a new one. But my old one's probably 30 years old, and it still works good. But it doesn't take up much space. It's pretty compact. And the only thing, some of them come with fuel, and some you might have to buy the fuel later. But you just pull up on this handle, that opens it up, and then this is your stove part right here. It just folds up, and you start unfolding it. And then, if I remember how to do it here. Oops, something wrong
Oh, what
here.
is that? It's like a puzzle.
Yeah, I should have done this before I started taking it all apart.
That's alright, that's the fun of figuring it out,
Okay,
right?
and you just fold it up, and then you got this little part here flaps up. So what you do is you take your Sterno fuel, it just comes like that,
Okay.
and it's like a gel. I can't open it now, but you just light it like a fondue set, and you light it and you set it in here like that, and close this back down, and that acts as your heat source. This is actually
Your heat source?
the heat source. Yeah, and then this is your pan.
Pretty big pan,
it just
actually.
sits there. You can boil water or cook your food or
You
whatever.
can get a lot in that pan.
And then this is just a water cup that you can heat water with that way if you want to, or just to drink it. But
Yeah.
it came with its own spoon, and then it's got a little knife on the side.
Spork.
A spork. But I'm not sure. Sometimes you got to buy these. They're probably like a 3 or 4 pack for, I don't know, they're probably
Do you know how long
around
each
$10.
each one burns?
I think it burns 4 hours, they said.
Okay, that's a good long time.
But I don't know if it would do that continuously. They say it does, but I wouldn't count on it if
Yeah.
you're a survival
Good
situation.
to have extra. Okay, that is really nifty.
That is really cool. I want to get one of those. Just in a, like a
And
survival
it was
set.
only-
Stand over here so I can get you speaking, man.
Oh.
So we know with the voice behind the.
Hey.
Oh,
Voice
thank you.
behind the
Did
baby,
you want
huh?
to chime in there,
And,
sir?
No.
If you want to, you know, it's $15 and it doesn't take up much space at
And
all.
where did you purchase it at?
Army Navy store, Big 5 has them sometimes.
Okay.
It's made by Sterno is the big company, but there's different brands. But this one here is one of the most popular ones.
Okay. Good.
They make the fuel. It's kind of like Coca-Cola. Sterno fuel is kind of a general term that
Okay.
they all use.
Thank you very much.